Hello everyone, my name is Christopher Duffy and today I'll be teaching you how to make toilet paper roll airplanes. First, cut the toilet paper roll in half the long way. After that, stretch out the toilet paper roll so that it lays as flat as possible. I bent it the opposite way that it was normally curled to achieve that effect. Now trace out the body of the plane and all of the areas inside it that will need to be cut out. There is a cockpit area, 2 wing slots, and 2 horizontal stabilizer slots. Feel free to experiment on your own and make your own sizes. However, if you'd like to use the ones that I used, I've included all my instructions along with this video. On corrugated cardboard, draw and cut out the wings, the stabilizers, and the wheels. Poke 2 small holes for the wheels near the edge of the body in line with the cockpit hole. I used the tip of a sharpened pencil to poke through the cardboard, and that worked pretty well. Next, poke a hole in the center of each wheel. Try not to make the hole too large, otherwise the paper clip that we will use to attach it to the plane will just slip right through. Now you can take the wings that you've cut out of the cardboard and slide them into the body of the plane. You'll probably need to fold the plane in half a little bit, just kind of bend it, so that the wings will fit through. After you've finished the wings, you can then go ahead and put the horizontal stabilizer into the appropriate holes afterwards. Straighten out a paperclip and insert it into the 2 holes that you made in the body of the plane for the wheels. One at a time, slide the wheels over the paperclip and fold the ends of the paperclip back into the hole of the wheel, keeping the paperclip wider than the hole so that the wheel can't fall off of the paperclip. Now it's time to glue the wings into place. Go ahead and take your glue and just carefully make a bead right along the body and the wing, right where it joins together, and rub it into place. Do it on both sides. After you've finished the wings, go ahead and do the same thing with the horizontal stabilizer. And the last piece of the puzzle here is the vertical stabilizer. That's going to get glued onto the back of the plane. This one's a little tricky because it wants to slide off a little bit, so you may have to hold it in place for a minute. After everything dries, if you are interested, you are able to go ahead and paint your airplane. I recommend putting a coat of white paint down first and then painting over top of it with another color if you desire. Thank you for making airplanes with us today. I hope you had a good time.